Hello, in this video I'll be showing how to install the RLM 17.1 license server. To begin, we'll use the main Simcenter Testlab installation package. Be sure to run this as administrator. From the main window, select the Install RLM License Server option. If you already have a copy of your license file, you can browse to it here. This will copy the license file to the location used by the RLM server. If you don't have a license file yet, you can place it into the server after installation. When doing so, you would want to run the reread localhost command, which would have the license server reread the contents of its folder in order to serve the new license. If you're using a dongle, you'll need to have the dongle driver installed. If you have a FlexID 10 dongle, which is blue and has a 10 dash in its license file name, you can install the FlexID dongle driver. If you're using an older FlexID 9 dash type dongle, which is green and the size of a flash drive, you will need to have a specific legacy driver, which you can click on the link for more information. If you're using an RLM type dongle, which is a miniature green fob that uses the RLM ID 1 equals prefix in its license file name, then you'll use the Sentinel HASP LDK driver. This can be installed either by checking the box here, or by using the guidance in this link to go to the Sales Customer Support portal and download the newest version of the driver. Regardless of which type of dongle you're using, remove the dongle from the computer before proceeding further through the installation. Keep this setting checked to allow the installer through the firewall. Click on Install to begin the installation. Once it completes, we'll have a bit more configuration to do to set up the password. Take note of this last page of the installation, which gives the instructions for finishing the setup. We'll need to log into the web interface of this license server using the login and password of admin within 10 minutes in order to create a new password. We can use the link directly in this page. If you click past it, you can also search for RLM server info in the start menu, and that will bring you to the same place. This brings you to the login for the Reprise License Manager, or the RLM license server. For the first login, type admin as both the username and the password. You'll be prompted to designate a new password, which must be strong. As you type in the password, the security requirements will turn green as you read them. Be sure to use a password that you can remember, or write it down, because RLM version 17.1 has stronger security, meaning that it cannot be deleted simply through the rlm.pw file, nor through even reinstalling the license server. You will need to know your password for future access to the RLM interface. Retype the password into the second box, then click Accept to finalize the configuration. The license server gives you a 10-minute window from installation to set this up. If more than 10 minutes have passed, you'll need to restart the computer in order for the licenses to be served. Your RLM server will now be ready for use.